Hey guys, the tech industry in the Gambia is growing and there has never been a better time to make your mark. But how do you even stand out in the first place? Well, it's all about creating a unique value, a strong purpose, and an unshakable commitment to growing through the challenges. So today I'm gonna show you how to do this in this 6-minute video. So first of all, let's talk about what you should do. Number one, invest in learning and skill development. The best way to stand out is to be exceptional at what you do, right? Whether it's AI, web dev, cyber security, graphic design, it doesn't matter. Make sure you are not just following the basics. Try to become an expert. And in the Gambia, access to resources are also limited and can be limited. But there's an ocean of free learning materials online. Use them. Whether it's taking courses on platforms like YouTube, Coursera, it's all perfectly fine. Invest time in learning. It's a very key differentiator. Master one thing, you don't need to be the best at everything, honestly. Forget about trying to learn every new language or jumping from one framework to another. It's not about being a jack of all trades. You need to be really good at one thing. Whether it's coding in Python, JavaScript, C Sharp, Java, it doesn't matter. Or whether you want to design a user friendly interface or even understand machine learning. Just try to master what you are doing. When you get good at one thing, people will come to you because you are the expert in it. But remember, don't spread yourself too thin also. And you have had this before. You can't learn everything at once, right? So pick something, get obsessed with it, and own it. It's your thing, and when people need that one thing, guess who they are going to? Obviously, you. That's how you become known for your craft. And the second is solve our problems, not something trending in Silicon Valley. Look, build solutions for our own problems. Don't just code for the sake of coding. Build something that has the potential to solve local issues. And it doesn't matter whether it's in agriculture, health, or education. The Gambia faces a lot of challenges, and the solutions we create can have a lasting impact. I mean, you have to think of the bigger picture. You have to think about how your tech can work in our local environment. This can be solving the slow internet speed, the electricity cuts, the traffic jams, or the fact that we are often working with very limited resources. If you build for these real world issues, trust me, you are doing something that actually matters. The third on the list is to network. A lot of young people overlook this, but relationships in the tech world are incredibly important. You have to attend a lot of tech events, join clubs, meet people who share your passion. Don't just focus on tech. Focus on building a community also. Reach out to a lot of mentors, right? At the end of the day, it's about growing together, learning from each other, and finding the right support system to elevate your career. Now, here's the one thing, show your work. And I know you're probably thinking, I'm not ready. Bro, no one cares. All they care about is that you are putting in the work. Put it out there on GitHub, LinkedIn, or even just on your WhatsApp status. Let people see your work. No one cares if it's polished or not. Don't be afraid to share your failures too. I mean, bro, we have been all there. If you are waiting for everything to be flawless, you are never going to start. So just show what you are doing, even when it's messy. The more you share, the more you learn, and the more you grow. Plus, when people see your progress, they are going to respect you for it, not judge you. And speaking of judgment, you might be afraid that people will talk about you, maybe they will laugh at you. Bro, it's normal, let them laugh. The real ones are going to see the potential in you. And at the end of the day, those are the same people who are going to start asking you, how can I work with you? Really, so it doesn't matter. And another thing no one is going to tell you is your network is more important than your skills. Your skills are the thing that gets you in the door. Your skills will open up the opportunity, but it's who you know and the relationships you build that will keep you in the game. And don't underestimate the people around you. The guy selling airtime at the corner shop, bro, he might just be the one who introduces you to your first client. The people you least expect often end up being the ones who help you get ahead. I got my first internship in high school because of this junior of mine who was in grade 11. I was in 12. He saw this poster online and he just sent it to me. I applied and then I was accepted. So network, but do it genuinely. Like help people. Fix someone's phone, bro. Teach a kid how to code. Share your knowledge. Do something that builds your reputation as someone who cares. And that's actually the power of building a community. The more you give, the more you get, the more you help, and the more people want to help you too. And before you know, you are not just getting jobs, you are creating opportunities for others too. That's how you build relationships that last. Now, one thing we all know that tech isn't a straight path. It's really messy, and sometimes the journey can feel like can feel like traveling through a mood, trying to make progress, and things just aren't going right. You are going to have your dark days. You'll wonder if this whole thing is really worth it. I mean, you will see your friends in other fields making money fast, and you'll start to think, am I crazy for trying to do this in the Gambia here? But listen up, bro. The world is moving remote first. What does that mean? It means location doesn't matter anymore. You don't have to be in Silicon Valley or in New York to make it. You don't have to be in any specific place. All that matters is that you have got the skills, the drive, and the ambition. Whether you are in Banjul, Brikama, or Serekunda, your location won't hold you back, but your hustle will. And here's the most important part. Every single time you solve a problem, no matter how small it is, you are not just helping yourself, you are helping others too. You are making it easier for the next Gambian techie who's coming up. Because you will be an inspiration. They will be like, if this guy can make it, why not me? Your work, the stuff you are doing right now, is a beacon of hope for someone else. Some kid in Brikama might see what you are building at 2 a.m. and think, if bro can do it, then I can. That's why you can't afford to stop. You can't give up when things get hard. You have to keep pushing, keep creating, and keep solving. Because your journey is more than just about you. It's about making the path easier for everyone who comes after you. And that's how you change the game. Now let's talk about what you shouldn't do. One of the biggest mistakes I've seen is not taking risks. It's easy to stay in your comfort zone, but growth happens when you step outside of it. Don't be afraid to take on challenges that seem impossible. I mean, whether it's a project that feels too ambitious or an internship you think you are not ready for, remember, growth comes from stepping up, bro. Another big mistake, don't compare your journey to others. The tech world is full of people achieving incredibly crazy things, and it's so easy to feel like you are falling behind. But remember, success isn't a race, it's more of a marathon than a sprint. Everyone's journey is different. I've often had to remind myself that progress isn't always immediate. Focus on your path and on what you can control and trust your time will come, right? And also, don't just chase fame or money. This is a very big trap that many people fall into. And if you focus on solving real problems, fame and money will come naturally. But even if those things didn't come and you were enjoying yourself, then it was never a waste of time, right? So build with purpose and success will follow. So here's just some final piece of motivation. Standing out in the tech industry, especially in the Gambia, isn't easy, right? We all know this, but it's so worth it. It's not going to be a smooth ride, bro. You will face challenges, setbacks, and doubts. But remember, every successful tech leader once started where you are now. I've been in your shoes wondering if my ideas were good enough, if I had what it takes to make it. The truth is, we all have doubts, bro. But the difference between those who succeed and those who don't is persistence. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep creating. Your journey is yours to make. And in the country, the tech space is waiting for leaders, a lot of leaders, innovators, and change makers. And that next leader could be you. So if you are passionate about tech, if you are ready to work hard, and if you are determined to make a difference, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and create your own. The world needs your ideas. The future needs you, bro.